Imagine this. You are searching online for remote jobs. You type remote jobs, no experience. You click one job and it says entry level. But when you read the details, it says 3 years of experience required. You click another one, it says remote, but only for people in the United States. Then you find another one promising $300 per day, but before you start, they ask you to pay a registration fee. Now you are confused. You start asking yourself, are remote jobs even real? Can beginners really get hired? Or is everyone online just making videos for views? And now there is another problem, AI. A few years ago, people used to tell beginners, just do data entry, just write simple articles, just do copy and paste jobs. Now we need to be honest. AI can now handle basic tasks. It can write simple content, answer basic questions, summarize documents, and organize information. So if you want a remote job today, don't compete with AI by offering only basic tasks. Look for jobs where companies still need human beings, jobs where communication matters, jobs where trust matters, jobs where customers need someone to listen, jobs where patience, judgment, and real human understanding are important. Please watch this video until the very end. I will give you a simple 7 days action plan to increase your chances to get hired. My name is Frank Chanda. On this channel, I help you discover realistic ways to make money online through affiliate marketing, freelancing, side hustles, remote jobs, and passive income strategies. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 remote jobs beginners can apply today. Those are not magic jobs. They do not have a guaranteed income, but they are more realistic than fake copy and paste jobs that promise huge money for doing almost nothing. Before we start, comment below and tell me, have you ever applied for a remote job before? Did they reply or did they ignore you? And if this video helps you, please like it, share it with someone looking for online work, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. The first job is remote customer support. Customer support is still one of the most realistic remote jobs for beginners. But don't focus only on simple questions that a chatbot can answer. Look for support roles where a human is needed to handle complaints, refunds, billing problems, account issues, technical issues, or unhappy customers. For example, a customer may say, I was charged twice, my account is locked, or nobody is helping me. In situations like this, people often want a really human being. They want someone to listen, check the problem, explain the next step, and make them feel heard. You can search for job titles like remote customer support representative, customer care specialist, customer success assistant, billing support assistant, technical support level 1, or customer escalation support. You can search on Flex Jobs, We Work Remotely, remote.co, Nodeck, LinkedIn, Indeed, and company career pages. Always check if the job is available worldwide or only available in one country. The second job is client onboarding assistant. A client onboarding assistant helps new customers understand what to do after they join a service, buy a product, or start working with a company. A new client may need to complete a form, send documents, book a call, create an account, or learn how to use a service. Your job is to guide them through the process. AI can send reminders, but a real person is still valuable when the client is confused, worried, or slow to respond. For this job, you need to be organized, patient, and comfortable to use tools like Gmail, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Zoom, and Notion. Search for client onboarding assistant, customer onboarding assistant, onboarding coordinator, client success assistant, implementation assistant, operations assistant. You can search on Flex Jobs, LinkedIn, Indeed, remote.co, We Work Remotely, and company website. The third job is remote appointment setter. Appointment setting is real, but there is also a lot of hype around it. Some people claim beginners can make $10,000 per month immediately. That is not normal. So be careful. An appointment setter helps a business speak with potential customers and book calls for the sales team. You may reply to messages, follow up with leads, ask simple questions, and schedule appointments. These jobs still need humans because a good sales communication requires listening and trust. A good appointment setter does not spam or pressure people. They ask questions and try to understand what the person needs. Search for remote appointment setter, entry-level appointment setter, self-development representative, lead generation assistant, business development assistant, or remote sales assistant. You can search on LinkedIn, Indeed, FlexJobs, Remote.co, We Work Remotely, Upwork, and Fiverr. But be careful with jobs that ask you to pay for training before you can work. Also be careful with commissions-only jobs. The really role should clearly explain the product, payment structure, lead, training, and expectations. The fourth job is a remote recruiting assistant. A recruiting assistant helps companies during the hiring process. Check applications, send interview invitations, schedule calls, update candidate lists, and follow up with applicants. AI can help screen CVs, but hiring still involves really people. Candidates ask questions. They miss interviews. They need help scheduling. A company still needs someone who can communicate professionally and treat applicants respectfully. Search for remote recruiting assistant, recruitment coordinator, talent acquisition assistant, HR assistant remote, interview scheduling assistant, or people operations assistant. You can search on LinkedIn, Indeed, FlexJobs, Remote.co, Nodec, and company career pages. The fifth job is a remote creator assistant. Creators, YouTubers, podcasters, coaches, and online businesses are producing more content than ever. AI can help them write and generate ideas, but creators still need humans to manage the work behind the scenes. A creator assistant may organize content ideas, search for topics, upload videos, schedule posts, track comments, collect audience questions, manage files, and follow up with editors or freelancers. AI can generate text, but it cannot fully understand a creator's personality, audience, brand, and long-term direction without a human guidance. A human assistant can notice many viewers keep asking the same question. That could become the next video. That is a human judgment. Search for remote creator assistant, YouTube assistant, podcast assistant, content operation assistant, social media assistant, content coordinator, or virtual assistant for creators. You can search on FlexJobs, LinkedIn, Indeed, Remote.co, We Work Remotely, Nodec, Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. You can also contact smaller creators directly. Now, if you are still watching, comment with the word remote. I want to know who is serious about finding a really opportunity. And if this video is helping you, please like it. That helps YouTube to show it to more people looking for honest remote job information. Now let me give you a quick warning. Do not apply by saying, I have no experience, please give me a chance. Employers are looking for someone who can help them. So create proof. For customer support, write 5 sample customer replies. For onboarding, create a sample client checklist. For appointment setting, write a simple follow-up message. For recruiting, create an interview scheduling email. For creator assistant, create a basic content calendar. These samples do not need to be perfect. They simply show that you understand the job. Also, watch out for scams. Be careful when you see promises like earn $300 per day, start immediately with no interview, pay a registration fee, or buy equipment from us before starting. A really employer should not ask you to pay for the job. Check the company website, LinkedIn page, email address, reviews, or official career page. Remote jobs are real, but remote job scams are also real. Protect yourself. Here is your simple 7 days action plan. Day 1, choose one job from this video. Day 2, read 10 job description for that role. Day 3, update your CV to highlight the right skills. Day 4, create one small sample project. Day 5, write a short application message explaining how you can help them. Day 6, apply to 10 suitable jobs. Day 7, contact 10 companies, creators, recruiters, or business owners directly. that give you 20 serious opportunities in 1 week. You may not get hired immediately. Remote jobs are competitive, but you can improve your chances by choosing the right role, showing proof, applying carefully, and avoiding basic work that AI can easily replace. Use AI as a tool. Use it to practice interviews questions, improve your CV, organize your job search, and learn new software. But bring the human part, your patience, your communication, your judgment, your empathy, your ability to understand people. That is what makes you harder to replace. So let's recap. The 5 jobs are remote customer support, client onboarding assistant, appointment setter, recruitment assistant, and creator assistant. These jobs are not magic. They do not guarantee fast money, but they are more realistic than chasing for fake copy and paste jobs that promise huge income for almost no work. And if your bigger goal is not only to find a remote job, but also to build an income online, you can sign up for my 7 days email affiliate bootcamp. The link is in the description. No pressure, only join if you want to learn more about building income online. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 jobs you will apply first? Comment below and tell me why. And if you have applied for remote job before but nobody replied, write I tried in the comment and share your experience. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with someone who looking for remote work, and subscribe to the channel. My name is Frank Chanda. I create content to help you make money online through affiliate marketing, freelancing, side hustle, remote job, and passive income strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.